9:30 a.m. today. We've been up since 7 a.m. We are gonna go on a road trip to a place called Cameron Highlands. It's a beautiful place. It's on the top 10 list of the best places you can drive to in Malaysia, and it has an amazing road. If you haven't watched the previous vlog, please make sure you watch it after this. We went to Genting Highlands. Has an amazing road that you go up to. So Cameron Highlands is that on steroids. It's gonna be an awesome road trip. So this is what happens when you have the slowest BMW. 140 to 180 kilometers like the whole way. And this Mazda behind me has been stuck to my ass the whole time. Whenever you're going on a road trip, you always find someone that you can have fun with the whole way until you reach. This happens to me every time, that either it's a BMW or in this case another Mazda or a Mercedes or whoever. A white Mercedes versus a black BMW.
What was that?
I hit my rim. Yeah. And look at the waterfall. Turns out having 5 hours of sleep is not enough. So I pulled over here at this waterfall and took a good 30-minute nap. Now we are having coconut water. Fresh air over here is
Especially the waterfall?
Yeah, especially near the waterfall. The sound really put me to sleep. We're gonna continue on. We have like an hour more left. Usually don't take pit stops to take a nap, but I was really tired, so. I've never driven in this specific road before. Normally I take another road which is a lot wider and better, and you can drive faster and it's safer. To be honest, it's way safer. Not as many trucks and there are 4 lanes, so it was this guy's idea for us to try this road today. Just that I may have to take my rim to fix some bends because we hit so many potholes. Alright, so we just arrived in Cameron Highlands. We don't have any jobs, you know. We came here during the weekday and we thought we were very smart to beat the traffic and everything, but for some reason there was a lot of traffic on the road. We're gonna go eat now. It's 2 p.m. I brought my own food. He's gonna eat some KFC, but oh no. What? I brought my own food. I actually wanted to eat some KFC. We're heading to McDonald's now.
All right, what we have here?
We just arrived at McDonald's. I got my tuna with rice and water here, and Sherry got his 2 burgers. And
You're really gonna eat rice and tuna when you are in McDonald's and sitting in front of me?
yeah.
Okay, I got nothing to say. Just cut it. Oh my god!
So the smell of fish is gonna...
What? I thought you were eating healthy, AJ. What is this?
Bro, stop filming. What the...
Look at this! Somebody put that Pringles on your tires! What the heck is this? Somebody's jealous of your car, man.
So we just came to the strawberry farm. Wanna buy my girlfriend some strawberries. All right, guys, we just got back. That was a 12-hour drive going there and coming back. We at least got some McDonald's out of it. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think we should shoot for our next vlogs. Have an awesome day. See you in the next one.